Et bonjour à tous, on se retrouve pour cet épisode 4 de The Wolf Among Us. Qu'est-ce que j'allais dire? Oui, enfin, les sous-titres français sont enfin apparus, car moi ça fait, depuis que j'ai fini l'épisode 3 que vous avez suivi sur cette chaîne, j'avais extrêmement envie d'enchaîner le 4 et le 5, mais malheureusement les sous-titres FR n'étaient pas disponibles. Alors moi, à la base, je suis bilingue, donc c'était pas un gros souci, mais je pense à vous, mes petits abonnés, qui voulaient quand même savoir de quoi y retourner, peut-être que vous n'avez pas assez de connaissances en anglais, donc j'ai préféré attendre que les sous-titres sortent. Et la bonne nouvelle, les sous-titres de l'épisode 4 et 5 sont sortis en même temps, donc je vais pouvoir les enchaîner très très vite. Mais d'abord, nous allons commencer par regarder un peu tout le livre des fables, parce que j'ai eu un bug. Le livre des fables a disparu, voilà, maintenant on a des choses, parce que je sais pas si vous vous rappeliez, quand j'essayais d'aller dans le livre des fables, les textes disparaissaient. Donc voilà, et Poppy m'a dit surtout... c'est très bien que tu parles du livre des fables parce que ça donne du background au personnage, mais par contre arrête de le faire quand il y a des séquences d'action, merci. Donc là je le fais avant, et puis j'essaierai de faire attention de ne pas vous lire le livre des fables n'importe quand pour tuer le rythme en fait. Donc on va se débarrasser de tout ce qu'on avait raté au début. Alors, le docteur Greffon, le chirurgien de l'armée. Le docteur Greffon est le médecin officiel de Fableville. Maîtrisant l'art chirurgical comme personne, il peut s'opérer lui-même sans crainte, d'accord. Pendant des années, il a servi comme médecin de l'armée et n'hésitait pas à user de ses talents pour séduire les locaux. Il est à la tête de la section des recherches spéciales à l'hôpital des Chevaliers de Malte, ainsi nommé pour décourager les quelques curieux de s'intéresser à ce qui se trouve être un établissement réservé à la santé des fables. D'accord. Et avec Gabouche, l'homme qui nous a aidés. Ancien prince devenu crapaud à cause d'une sorcière, l'amical et génial Gabamouche porte le fardeau d'un surnom à la subtilité douteuse qui fait référence à son penchant pour les mouches. Yummy. Sa femme et ses enfants furent brutalement assassinés du temps des royaumes, une triste affaire qu'il se refuse à admettre tout en enchaînant les tâches ingrantes sans fin. D'accord. Ah bah du coup on en apprend plus. Le Trip Trap Bar. Plus vieux bar de New York City, le Trip Trap fut fondé en l'an 1725 dans le secret par Starkad, le légendaire viking dépravé. Un bon bougre. Comme lieu de rencontre, de beuverie et de compassion pour fables. Puis connu sous le nom de taverne du Gramérien, il finit par le perdre lors d'un pari au profit d'une petite tribu de trolls qui s'empressa de le renommer. Holly en est la propriétaire actuelle, fruit d'un héritage maternel lorsque cette dernière mourut dans un accident naval au début du XXe siècle. Tout à fait. Et Tantine Greenleaf, elle a des mains minuscules. Horticultrice, putain j'ai du mal aujourd'hui. Alchimiste et amoureuse de la cause animale, Tantine Greenleaf est l'une des rares sorcières rebelles vivant en dehors des murs du 13e étage. Sans surveillance et sans limite, il se raconte qu'elle perdit une fille dans les royaumes, qu'elle souffre de paranoïa et d'épisodes dépressifs amenant à de rapides changements d'humeur. On l'invite souvent en soirée, et qu'elle se risque à s'aventurer dehors qu'à des heures inconvenantes, sous l'apparence d'un cerf blanc qui ne serait autre qu'un légendaire spectre des natifs de Brookhaven. Tube trompe-l'œil. Les trompe-l'œil peuvent être produits de façon variée, mais la plus commune et la plus simple reste l'usage d'un petit tube vide auquel on ajoutera en son sein plusieurs objets appartenant à la personne que l'on veut copier. Une sorcière est requise pour le sort final, seulement il y a deux problèmes résultant de ce type de trompe-l'œil. Il est impossible de créer une apparence unique, et la nature même de la mixture la rend instable au possible. Oh là là. Anneau d'annulation. Ah, c'est l'anneau que Cabot Crane essaie d'utiliser. Connu car conçu par un clan byzantin pour éradiquer un couvent de sorcières, la bague d'annulation, ou enleveuse de magie ou anneau d'annulation de magie plus 5, atterrit dans les mains de Lancelot comme cadeau de la Dame du Lac. Retrouvée par le bureau des affaires courantes lors de l'émigration à New Amsterdam, elle fut confiée et mise sous la protection de Tantine Greenleaf. Et enfin Bloody Mary, le personnage que j'ai envie de tuer le plus au monde. La véritable histoire de celle connue sous le nom de Bloody Mary est presque totalement inconnue par tous, même par les fables les plus bavardes. Son nom, Mary, ne soulève aucun débat, tout comme son penchant pour la violence la plus crue. Une résistance à la magie et au sort infaillible et à son étrange habilité à utiliser n'importe quelle surface réfléchissante comme portail sans même tenir compte du temps et de l'espace. Mon dieu, c'est le docteur. Connu par les communs comme l'apparition d'un fantôme sans enfant, rien ne laisse penser que cette théorie est valable. Et on est très content d'apprendre tout ça. Quoi qu'il en soit, nous allons retourner, hop là, et ben on va jouer. On va attaquer l'épisode 4 avec notre petit Big B. Commencer l'épisode 3, commencer l'épisode 4. Et c'est parti. Dans la joie de l'amour, de la paix. Avec un écran de chargement qui tourne à 6 frames par seconde. J'espère que vous êtes contents de le savoir. Alors, donc forcément j'ai eu un double fail à l'écran. Parce que le jeu a déjà décidé de charger pas sur la bonne sauvegarde, et après mon logiciel a décidé tout simplement de plus rien faire. Enfin, le jeu a décidé de s'arrêter de marcher. J'espère que ça va fonctionner cette fois-ci, voilà. J'ai un écran de chargement qui tourne à 2 frames secondes, c'est magnifique, et je vous laisse avec la cinématique.
It's as simple as that.
Do you have any idea how much it costs to have an entire family in Glamour?
I can't finish the mirror. It's missing a piece.
Crane must have taken a shard with him. The open arms.
Enjoy your stay.
Thanks, Bigby. And thanks for covering for me last time, too.
Bigby? How could you do this to me? I guess I finally see you for who you are! Tell me who did it! Just tell me who did it! I know you know!
I don't think he did it.
What?
Look at him. Do you really think this man murdered these women?
It was a good show. But, you know...
Just take him, okay? Take Crane.
Well, this is gonna be a beautiful relationship we have with you guys. Really. I mean it. Out with the old, in with the new. Long live the Queen.
Mais super ambiance.
See you around.
Ah bah ça a coupé.
Hollow point bullets are a nasty business. The silver slug deformed and shredded on impact.
He'll be okay, though. He'll be okay?
His internal organs are positively riddled. If I don't extract every single scrap of silver, he's liable to suffer some long-term toxicosis. Easy there. Try not to move.
Bigby.
We can't keep meeting this way, old boy. I figured I'd be done before you were conscious.
My arm.
Yes, very ugly, but not life-threatening. I can't say the same for these bullets peppered throughout your vital organs.
Please, Bigby, don't move it. Doctor.
Look, I'm a bit engaged saving his life at the moment, but if the fractured extremity concerns him that much, he can set it himself.
Oh, ok. Je l'ai réparé avec des billets de $20. Money, 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 money. Ah, il faut que je passe.
For heaven's sake.
Ah, mais j'allais le faire. Ah
See now? That wasn't so difficult.
J'ai pas pensé à passer mon clavier à QWERTY. Comment ça veut rien dire?
That'll do. You're probably better off. This way I won't have to reset it later. He's lucky to be alive. And he won't be next time if he keeps going like this. He didn't listen to me before. Maybe he'll listen to you.
I don't
Avec
know
le pouvoir de
about
la
that.
mûre.
Well, he should.
You know, I can't hear you.
Quiet. Just relax.
Vous avez un peu de rouge sur vous.
Excuse me, Miss White, but perhaps it'd be better if you gave me a few minutes to finish with him.
I think I should stay, at least until he's out of the woods.
Believe me, Bigby couldn't be in better hands. And I need the space to work, so...
Don't worry, Snow. I'll be okay.
C'est pas des larmes dans
I'll be
mes
down
yeux.
in a moment. Just please, give us the time.
Hey, Doc, how much longer?
Colin, leave him be.
It's finished when it's finished.
'Cause I once watched a vet sew a turtle together in 10 minutes flat.
Colin, you're not even supposed to be here right now.
Oh, really? Where am I supposed to be?
Could you please not distract the doctor while he has my chest cut open?
Yes, that would be helpful. There.
Une
All
prémolaire.
done.
Great.
This isn't a habit you should keep to. Having visits with me. And, well, this time was no joke. Eat as many metal shellings as you see fit, but take just one more silver round near your heart, and the only place I'll be visiting you is the morgue. Miss White. He'll be fine for light duty, if he can figure out what that means.
He knows what it means. It's just been an unusual couple of days.
I know, but please, don't give him the excuse. His body will eventually give out. Take care of him, please.
I will.
Ça
He'll
pue
need
le
rest, I
foreshadowing.
assume.
Sleep mostly. Just keep watch, and make sure he doesn't get into further altercations.
I can still hear you.
Anyways, guard against, as they say. Miss White, Sheriff, Colin.
Swiney.
Elle est déjà ouverte.
So, how do you, feel?
It's Bigby, Snow. He'll be okay. Hell, I seen him take worse.
Not as good as can be expected, I think.
So, not well then.
I'm glad you're not dead. You stopped breathing, you know, when you passed out or died, I guess.
Ne touche pas le truc.
It kind of scared the hell out of me. I've never seen you like that. And when Swinehart arrived...
I'm pretty hard to kill.
En tout cas, pas avant la fin de l'épisode 5.
Yeah,
J'ai pas vu la
you were
fin,
really
commencez pas à
fucked
vous
up,
énerver.
man. You look like when you take an action figure and bend its limbs the wrong way.
Colin...
I'm just saying, I was worried about him is all. The guy hasn't had a night's rest in days.
We'll all get some rest when this whole thing is done.
What whole thing? What's even happening out there? I mean, do you guys have like a plan or something? And who should I be asking? Should I be worried about the Crooked Man taking over?
Crane is still our focus. I just can't forget everything he's done. I don't care if he has problems with the Crooked Man.
Ichabod's gone. It's over for him. He's not coming back. It's not about Crane anymore, Bigby. The Crooked Man came out of the shadows for a reason.
Résister
For
à
him to
l'envie de
attack
lire
us
le
so
livre.
blatantly like that. He either feels invincible or desperate.
Well, if those are my two options, I don't think I'd pick desperate.
What do you mean?
You traded Crane to save Bigby. I'm just saying, that's not exactly something you do when you're playing with house money.
Yeah, thanks, Snow, for all that back there.
No problem.
Thanks? You're not pissed that Crane's flown the coop? Or that the Crooked Man thinks he's got Snow under his thumb?
We're all mad about it, Colin.
What else could Snow do? If she didn't hand him over, my ass would be down the witching well. And Crane still would have been taken.
Okay, I'll take your word for it.
All I care about right now is just what does the Crooked Man want out of this? I thought he was just a loan shark, but clearly he's operating in other circles. It can't just be about Crane, right? Getting him out of town? Is this all about the murders? Crane can't be useful to him anymore. So what could this have to do with Faith and Lily?
You know, I couldn't really give a shit what they want out of this. They just made the wrong fucking enemy.
Remember what Swinehart said, okay?
5 fruits et légumes par jour, je sais.
The Crooked Man declared war against us last night. At least that's what I thought when it happened. But now I see this war has been going on for years. We just haven't noticed it because our way of doing things is broken. We need to do things the right way.
What does that mean, the right way?
What do you think I mean?
I don't know, but it suspiciously sounds like your way. Bigby's the one on the front lines.
Look, I know things haven't gone great recently, but we're still doing our best.
That's not good enough. So, starting now, we do everything cut and dried. By the book, straight as an arrow.
Pure as driven snow.
I'm not saying I'm the arbiter of...
Sure you're not.
This town has enough monsters. What happened last night, what you turned into, It can't happen again.
We need monsters. To fight monsters.
Colin, if I really believed that we needed him to lose
Ça
his
nous a été
flippin'
bien
mind
utile,
at a
quand même.
moment's notice,
We were under attack, Snow. What did you expect me to do?
there are degrees.
Degrees. I only ever do what's necessary.
Really? Well, if that's the case, please explain to Colin why tearing Dumb's throat out was necessary.
C'était des glands qui nous cassaient les couilles.
You can't let up until the fight is finished. He was...
Puis je vous
he was
signale
still
qu'ils
a
avaient
threat.
déchargé des canons de
All
fusil
there
à
is
pompe dans la
to it.
poitrine. Ça
Sure.
joue.
Look, Bigby, I care about how this is done just as much as I care about it getting done.
So for that, you want to give him a handicap? Like the
fusil à
bad
pompe
guys will
dans ma
worry
gueule.
if shit gets sloppy. Everybody wants Bigby to smile and shave and take a shower now and then. Hell, I'm practically the president of the Bigby Don't Be Such a Dick Club.
Well, at least someone understands.
Je l'aime bien ce bout de bacon.
Thanks, Colin.
He'll get the job done. Just let him do it.
I'm going to let you do it, okay? It's just that now that I'm deputy mayor, I need your respect. And this situation has to end.
What situation?
All unglamored fables starting today have to go and stay at the
Oh,
farm.
give me a fucking break. Are you gonna let her talk to me like that?
It's been the rule for a reason, Colin.
That's
d'accord.
not gonna happen.
Yes, it
C'est
will.
comme les X-Men.
It's an
Les mutants
impossible
peuvent vivre avec
rule
les
to
humains, comme les
enforce.
cochons qui parlent.
You really expect to round up every talking cat and raven in town?
There's not that many stragglers left. Except the one or two you make excuses for.
Elle devient un peu une nazie là, non, Blanche-Neige?
Wolf's residence.
That's rude.
Oh, Buffkin, what is it?
Je suis prêt.
Okay, I'll let him know. Thanks. Guess who's waiting in your office right now?
Le Père Noël. Jane Fonda.
Narissa.
Narissa?
That broad from the puddin' and pie?
Yes. Apparently, she told Buffkin that she has something she needs to talk to you about. But that she'll only tell you. And what do you think that could be?
Bigby's got an admirer. You always do well with the, disenfranchised.
I haven't the slightest.
Okay. I should get back to the business office. I've left Buffkin alone for too long taking calls. And I should probably change out of these clothes. Consider the discussion tabled but not over. Let me know when you're done with Narissa.
Aye, aye, Captain. She's a piece of work. Hey, you're not really gonna send me to the farm, are you? I mean, she seemed real serious about it, but I can still hang out here.
Look, maybe a few will get sent up, but
J'ai détruit sa
you're
maison.
my friend, Colin.
Donc je vais pas la renvoyer à la
Wouldn't do
ferme.
that to you. Don't worry about it.
Thanks, Bigby.
L'amitié avant la loi. Allez, générique de tueur, c'est parti. Dans un habit de mouton.
Hi, Sheriff.
Hello,
Hi, Narissa.
nurse.
Have a seat.
Are you okay? You didn't look good last night. I wasn't sure you'd be...
Don't be fooled by this. I didn't get the worst of it.
Huff and puffs. Not many people smoke those. Thanks.
You can start talking.
There's not a lot that I can talk about. You know that.
So that spell Crane was trying to break. It's not just while you're at work, huh?
What I mean is, I don't want to waste your time, but I don't want you wasting your own time either.
Back in the dressing room, at the pudding and pie, I told you what I was looking for, and you found a way to tell me. You sent me to the open arms. Maybe that'll work again?
You can try. I just... Go ahead. It might work.
You're here because the Crooked Man just sent Crane to the bottom of my list of worries. And you have something you want to say about that, right?
These lips are sealed. If I could answer you just like that, I wouldn't have had to make that appointment with you.
No, I guess not.
Sometimes we have to find our way through life on our own, grasping and fumbling in the dark. I used to have friends to help me find my way, but now they're gone, and I don't know what to do.
Are you trying to say something about Faith and Lily?
What I'm saying is friends matter, and I don't have any left. So I hope you're looking after yours. Are you? Look around you.
Are you telling me my friends are involved?
I'm sorry. I thought I could do this. I need you to know I want to help, but...
But your lips are sealed.
I'm sorry if I'm wasting your time.
Ouais, mais tu peux l'être.
I thought I knew how to say it.
Ribbons. Faith wore one too.
Do you like it? Do you?
It's not how it looks that concerns me. It's what it does. That's why you can't tell me anything. It's the ribbon, isn't it?
My lips are sealed. Je parle les bleus.
You mind if I just...
No! These lips are sealed!
What?
You can't! Just stay back!
En fait, c'est peut-être le bandeau qui les décapite si elle donne un secret.
Do that!
Slow down. It's all right. I'm not gonna do anything.
Please, don't.
Come on, avancez.
Okay. I get it. So the ribbons... If you take them off...
There.
If anyone finds out I came here...
Cache-toi.
That's probably snow.
Listen, Sheriff. Can you keep this conversation between us?
No.
I could be in a lot of... trouble.
I won't tell anyone, don't worry.
Je les dois croiser.
Thank you.
Sorry, I just need to talk to the sheriff for a moment. Please excuse us.
1 minute.
I might have a new lead for you, but I don't know how solid it is. Beauty and Beast called the office just now. They said they wanted to talk to you about something. I wonder if they've heard about Crane.
Thank you for listening, Sheriff. You should go on to your next business. I don't think you'll be wasting your time.
Wait, you don't have to go.
Subtil.
That was... abrupt?
It's one way to send a message.
What did she tell you? I didn't mean to rush her out.
She told me enough. I think she told both of us with the way she just left.
Okay then. Good work. So, about Beauty and Beast, do you think there's something to it? Is this the right place to look? What could they know about the Crooked Man? Or do you think they just heard about last night, and they're scared about what's been going on?
Beauty told me she had to take out a loan from the Crooked Man. Seems like a pretty bad deal.
I can only imagine what they're thinking now.
Raté.
We need to solve this before something else happens. Who knows what? I have other matters to attend to.
Once upon a time. Alors. Ah, je suis en phase d'action, donc là on va pouvoir aller lire un peu le livre des fables depuis le temps que j'attends ça. Alors, voyons. Ça c'est la saison 1. Qu'est-ce que j'ai appris de plus? Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça? Les balles en argent, le point faible des wolves. Les légendes parlant de grands loups magiques font souvent référence à leur faiblesse face aux armes recouvertes d'argent. Et ces histoires s'avèrent véridiques. La balle en argent de Marie n'était pas la première, mais n'importe laquelle pourrait être la dernière. Tout argent restant dans le corps de Bigby affaiblit son système, ralentit sa guérison et cause des dommages à long terme, un peu comme Wolverine, mais pas tout à fait. Une adjointe active, Blanche-Neige devient une nazie. Ichabod Crane, rayé du livre et le roi Cole brillant par son absence, la responsabilité de la direction de Fableville a tiré tout droit sur les épaules de Blanche. Elle a géré la plupart des devoirs qu'implique un tel travail pendant de longues années, allégeant ainsi l'emploi du temps de Crane. Mais dorénavant, totalement en charge du bureau, elle se retrouve exposée à un niveau de politique auquel elle ne s'attendait pas. Tout à fait. La vie à la ferme. La ferme! Se dressant dans un lieu idyllique et géré par sa communauté, la ferme semblerait être l'endroit rêvé pour une existence en dehors de Fableville. Eh ben alors. Mais les personnes y ayant vécu ont une vision autrement différente. Ils la voient telle qu'elle est, une prison. Un endroit où vous êtes libre d'être et de faire ce que vous voulez, sauf en partir. Le fait que les fables à l'apparence humaine ne se soucient guère d'être envoyées à la ferme trouve sa réponse via leur position autoproclamée de leader. D'accord. C'est beau. Putain, j'ai raté tout ça? Bah les dents. Allez, on reprend, donc. Do the twist with Big B. Frappe à la porte. On va être poli. Je viens vous tuer. Allô?
Oh.
Coucou.
What do you want?
Du café.
Well, you're just going around knocking on doors?
You called, right? Or, was it Beauty?
Why would I call you?
Listen, I've had a shitty night.
You think you're the only one?
And I really don't want to deal with the runaround. Snow said you called and wanted to talk to me.
Well, I didn't call. Must have been Beauty. She's been surprising me a lot lately.
Can I...
So have you, Bigby. Yet, with all the sneaking around and secrets, somehow I'm still the bad guy in this. I've had to hear about it all night long from her.
Who is it? Who's there?
Look, I'm coming in. So, let's not get into busting down doors today, all right?
It's your pal, Bigby.
Hi, Bigby. Please excuse us for just a minute. Can I talk to you in private?
Yes, let's.
Vous me laissez tout seul dans l'appart?
Guess I really do have the smallest apartment in the woodlands.
I can already tell you're going to make a problem out of this.
What's he doing here? We don't need to bring him into this.
Beast.
I just don't think we can trust him. Not after the way he went behind my back. And
C'est
then
bien
you
un arme.
run and call him again?
Well, I trust him.
Of course you do. He was keeping
Talk
secrets
about living
from
in the past.
It was one little thing. Do you want to keep fighting about that? Or do you want to try to sort this out?
All I'm saying is we can
C'est
handle
un
this
toc
on our
qu'il a.
own. You didn't have to bring him here.
We're out of
Bigby,
money
c'est Monk.
and answers. That's why I called.
Oh mon dieu, ce téléphone des années 80 quoi.
But we need to talk to Bigby.
Fine. If you want to talk, we'll talk.
Pourquoi ma souris bouge aussi bizarrement? Ok, tout va bien. Je vais pas passer ma journée à frapper aux portes.
Sorry, it's been a long night.
Yeah, you know what they say. Centuries of marriage come with centuries of baggage.
I gotta say, your place, it looks, expensive.
What do you mean by that?
Beast!
No, really, I want to know. What are you trying to say, huh?
I thought you were having money problems, but it doesn't look like you're suffering to me. Is this something about that loan you took out? From the crooked man?
I didn't know what else to do, so...
We should deal with this on our own. Bigby's just going to complicate
I
things.
called him here, and I want to see if he can help us out. Why are you being like this?
I'm just trying to do what's best for us.
I'd like to help you, but I can't do anything if you don't tell me what's going on.
I gotta know one thing first. What if we did have something to say about the Crooked Man? What if we talk and you don't get him? And all this comes back on us? We'd be risking a lot. We've seen what happens when you cross the Crooked Man. And I don't know if it's worth it. If you can't give us certain assurances.
You are in danger. You two need to cooperate so I can get the Crooked Man off the street. You don't want to be next. But if you'd rather deal with this on your own...
No, please don't.
Then tell me what the fuck is going on. You're in so much debt? Look around you. This isn't the way people short on cash live.
Look, we're used to a certain kind of lifestyle, okay? We couldn't just give that up.
We never meant for it to get like this. It's just that we had nowhere else to turn, and we got in over our heads.
There's not a lot of work out there. Who would we be if we just lived like...
En général, il faut répondre.
Hi there, you've reached Beauty.
And Beast.
And we're out doing something fabulous.
Let me just,
A day at the beach?
Skiing the
Hey,
slopes.
we're not done here.
And
I
we
should-
can't come to the phone right now, so leave a message at the beep and we'll get back to you as soon as... humanly possible. Beep! That fucking message. I'm gonna come down there and bash your heads in with that machine if I have to call again and hear that fucking message one more time.
Ça va
I've
être
been
leur
doing
parent.
this long enough to know that if you had the cash, you'd have paid by now. So consider yourselves out of warnings. The Crooked Man's gonna get his, one
fuck
way or
this.
another.
Shit. All I care about is, how can I find the Crooked Man? Who do I talk to? Where do I go?
The Lucky Pawn. That's where I borrowed the money. The Crooked Man's behind that place.
Okay.
I'd overheard people talking to Jersey about loans before. That's where I went. I didn't know what to do.
Wait, who do you...
Jersey. You know, the
Oh yeah,
Les
that
voix qui
slimy
coupent toutes seules.
prick. I didn't realize he was back on this side of the river.
And those Tweedles were always going in and out. Probably dropping off a loan payment they squeezed out of some poor fable. But never the Crooked Man. Mainly it's just regular fables. I can see now that it was a mistake, but I'm not the only one who goes there, you know. I saw the woodsman's axe there just the other day. It was in a display case.
I guess he's hit hard times too. There's a lot of that going around. I can't imagine he has a lot of marketable skills.
Fucking Bloody Mary must go through there. She had Woody's axe last night, trying to chop my damn head off with it.
Maybe if you go there, you can sort some things out.
I guess I'll go check out the Lucky Pawn. If I can't track down the Crooked Man there, maybe I can make enough noise that the Crooked Man will come find me.
Hold on, Bigby. Don't go there. Sounds like you're just going to get Beauty in trouble. And... you know that butcher shop? The cut above? It's the place on Tubman Street. Same block as the baker and the candlestick maker. Well, I've been delivering packages from there for a while. The thing is, it's for the Crooked Man. And I don't think it's meat in the packages. You gotta understand, I needed work.
Well, what are you delivering? What's going on there? How does this fit into the Crooked Man's operation?
I couldn't tell you, but I do know this. It's the only meat market in town that doesn't carry filet. I'm not sure how much actual butchery goes on there.
How did you get involved with this?
Johann the butcher called. He had a problem with the refrigeration unit one night. But when I finished, it was your pal Mary who showed up to pay me. She said I was reliable. She liked that. And it's the only thing I've been able to pick up, and it's still not enough. I don't want Beauty to have to work, especially not where she was.
It's Mary you deal with? Bloody Mary is there?
No, Johann is the one who hands over the packages, day to day. But I've seen her around there. She gets under my skin, I try to avoid her. But I don't need to tell you what she's
You're
like.
damn right you don't. I don't need a rundown on her reputation. If Mary works out of there, I need to look into it.
I just wanted to provide for Beauty. Give her the kind of life she deserves.
We shouldn't have to live like this, scraping to get by.
None of us should. We were royalty once. We were accustomed to a certain lifestyle. All we want is to make this place feel a little bit like home. You wouldn't understand, Bigby.
Ah ben vas-y, insulte-moi.
I don't need to understand. It's not my fucking job to understand. My job is to keep Fabletown safe.
So, where are you going? If this all goes sideways, I'd like to know where it's coming from.
Alors, la Lucky Pawn et le Butcher, putain, j'aime pas faire ça. Je suis quand même curieux d'aller voir la boucherie, de voir ce qui s'y passe là-bas.
I want to know what the Crooked Man is hiding at that butcher shop.
You know, Bigby, once you show up there, word is gonna spread. There may be nothing left for you to see if you go to the Lucky Pawn after.
Well, I guess I'll find out.
Wait, I don't know what you're planning to do when you find the Crooked Man, but is there any way you could help us out?
What do you mean?
Well, maybe you can make this all just go away.
We would really appreciate it.
What
do you say?
Can you help us out?
You're asking me to kill him, aren't you? Is that what you think I do?
No, of course not.
I don't know how you get that idea. We know that the Crooked Man is dangerous. To all of Fabletown.
I'm gonna do my job. Lucky for you, that might just solve your problems anyway.
Oh, thank you, Bigby.
I'm sure you'll do the right thing.
Ok. Ça doit être dans les années 80 parce qu'on a le droit de fumer n'importe... Ah non. Restons polis. Il se doutera jamais que c'est moi si je suis poli. Pour l'instant, je peux remarquer que l'employé ne fait pas son travail. Est-ce qu'il y a des kebabs? Ok. Kill salami, bacon. Ok. Viande congelée, regardez.
Not very appetizing. Frozen solid. Who'd want to eat this?
Je sais pas, un Yeti.
Huh. Empty. Either he's got a whole lot of customers, or he doesn't have any.
J'ai envie de dire aucun.
Right.
Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça?
Bet that's what Beast was talking about.
Est-ce que j'essaye de faire le flic furtif?
That logo looks familiar.
C'est une
I've
route
seen
tortue,
this
ça.
before, at the Tweedles.
Bonjour.
Bigby Wolf?
Non, je suis... John...
welcome, Sheriff.
Smith,
What
merde.
can I get for you? You interested in a particular cut?
The dirt.
Let's see. What do we have in stock? Let's see what we got here.
Surtout
Flank
que tu fuis
steak
pas.
on special. New York strip. I can have some wild boar in tomorrow if you like. Sirloin.
Johan, I want to know exactly what's going on here.
We sell meat.
Ah,
Did you want to
okay.
buy something?
N'appuie
What
pas
you
sur le
see
bouton.
is what you get. Just meat. You won't find anything else. We just, we do more wholesale and meat packing than walk-up service. I'd like to help you. Really, I would. But there's nothing here.
So you don't mind if I take a look around?
I guess not.
Il y a
Sheriff,
une tête de Bob Lennon, là.
Did you hear that?
What?
Oh, I'm real sorry. Hold on. I just gotta go check on that. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back.
Butcher?
I just have to go see.
Il a appuyé sur une alarme, j'aime pas trop ça. Bitch.
Shit.
Oh, il va y avoir de l'action là.
I got it covered back here, Sheriff. I'll be right out.
Je vais venir t'aider. Un coup de poing dans la gueule.
Just wait out front. I'll be right there. I've got a bit of a mess.
Faut pas qu'il sache que je m'approche.
Look, can you come back tomorrow, maybe? I'm sorry, Sheriff, but you're not supposed to be back here for safety purposes.
Putain, c'est tendu.
Damn it. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. They're gonna kill me. Oh God, she is gonna fucking kill me. He's gonna get me killed. Huh?
How you doing?
Please, Bigby. Please don't.
Bigby? What happened to Sheriff?
Please don't kill me, Sheriff. I don't want to die. Please don't kill me.
Shut the fuck up!
Enfin non, parle mais...
What the fuck are you hiding back there?
Quoi?
You're a monster. A fucking monster. Why are you doing this? I'm not part of their crew. Fuck. The Crooked Man's people. Jersey Devil, D and Dumb, and that mental case Bloody Mary. You want to talk about the real butcher? It's her, not me. This is her place. I'm telling you, they muscled in on me, took over my storage and delivery a long time ago. All cause of that heat wave. That summer was even hotter than this one. Oh, I'd let Mary and those porkers stay cool in the meat locker one day, playing cards, having a great time. I guess they were sizing the place up. Shows what I get for being nice. I'm just a victim in this. I don't know what they do back there. I swear. And I don't want to know.
It's all right. I believe you. Calm down.
I knew this would happen. Didn't know when. But there... Shh.
Qu'y a-t-il derrière la porte? Vous le découvrirez dans le prochain épisode de Wolf Among Us. À bientôt.